Uh, Good morning, friends. Today is 23rd of October 2016. We are looking at Nifty market. So, today we will discuss what pullback you can buy and how you can predict a good pullback and buy it on a right track. So, for today's market, we have seen yesterday Tata Motors chairman was ousted, saddest mistake, and Ratan Tata was made an interim chairman. So that made Tata Group's stocks tumble, and we are seeing a good fall in Tata Group shares. So this is a part where it is dragging the Nifty downwards. So with that also, and technical pattern also suggests the Nifty may go down. So what we are seeing here today is when we look at this chart, we see the market starting to go down from the high range, and it was good. It was it fell down around 35 points. So when we reached here, so we saw this green bar, and this, if you look at it clearly, this level, what is this? It's an 80 level. So this level is a more important level than this final chart. So when we saw the market crossed this level and this one, and when it crossed this level and it reached this level, so we were confident that if market will make another move downwards. So look at on a 1 minute chart, you will see the swings and the sharp down here. So when the market fell here, so after that it was evident that it may take a good support here. But when you look at this chart more clearly, you can see uh, that after reaching here, there was a gap between 50 minutes and 20 minutes EMA SMA. So the gap created and it tried to close that gap. After closing that gap, we still have this uh, still have this downward pressure, and this level was again pretty much far from that. So we could have taken a trade where after reaching this 20 EMA, we could have taken a sell signal and sold it here, and would have taken the profits around this range. So that was the today's trade here. And if you look at Nifty, you look this trade in Nifty futures. So it was more clearly visible how you would have taken a trade. So after the sharp fall down to this level, and when it reached here, so we could have seen that after that it might again go, because we have seen a uh, good upward movement from this chart reaction towards upward upside, so it may again reach to the high levels of today. But when you see it in actual terms, when you see the slope here, that there is a downward pressure. So we could have bought this sell signal here and could look how wait to look how would that trade take place. If we could have taken a sell signal here, our stop loss would have been this point, this range, and our target could be this range. So in that way, our trade would have been completed. So around 78, 75 we could have got, and around 63 which is 765 or 60 or so. So that is the radio. Continue to look forward. We see the market will can move in the sideways direction and can again close the gap because overall the world markets are in positive direction because of the PMI numbers coming yesterday from Germany and France, and it was quite positive. So there was a positive reaction in US market. It closed about 0.5%, and we, we were expected to see that the same thing in Indian markets, but the news from Tata Groups made the markets move then and started moving downwards. So currently we could see some sideways movement and look forward how the numbers would come up from the Fed because it is thinking on increasing the interest rate and it could have a negative impact on the emerging markets and in India. So we could see the downwards movement. So that's how the markets are acting today. Now we look at the Nifty on a weekly basis. When you see the weekly chart, we have seen the Nifty reaching highs on March 2015, and after that we have seen a downwards. And then in a channel we have seen a good downward move. Now after the February month this year, we have seen a good upward move, and this move was uh, was done in a very small channel. If we look at this weekly channel, it was uh, much bigger channel, and the swings were between these channels. But when we look again, when we look at the new channel, that upward channel that has formed, we can see it was a very small channel going forward, and when it reached the high, it reached a high. So after that also we were expecting it might move to the range to the highest range, but it fell below the weekly close that was there. The week close, the previous weekly close fell below the weekly close, and due to that, it created an uh, good resistance zone here. And even after that, getting that resistance, we saw some signs, but the last week of September, this move, when this weekly move was created a pattern where it moved out of this upper channel, the narrow upper channel, and it is moving now sideways, and could see a similar move downwards from here, and it may reach 7,300 levels because we have already seen seven, and it can take 2 years to reach that. Next year, you may see that. So the economic cycle, which we normally see, we can expect that economic cycle to again give us in this downward direction of it, depending upon how the markets and economic data. So currently we are seeing some sideways move, and if we take an if we look at how the market may go, so we can expect the market may move in this region to down here. So That's it for today. Thank you.